All right, folks, down the rabbit hole we go again with Suno.ai. We're making digital compositions, and today we're going to write a happy birthday song. So all we need is the lyrics for happy birthday and the prompts to make a happy birthday song in Suno. Now, Suno is a digital composition platform, and you can create any style or any genre of music. So let's go ahead and do that right now. So let's type into here. We're going to do happy birthday because there's a birthday coming up. We're going to type in classical. Then it's going to pick that up. I'm going to type in here happy birthday. Let's see what happens when we type in that. Create that. Here we go. Suno's going to start creating it in my workspace. All right, Suno has created two versions of happy birthday just using the text happy birthday in a classical mood or a classical genre. Let's see how that all comes about as it processes. It's taking its time today. The first version's done. Let's see what happens in the first version.
Happy birthday.
That's pretty phenomenal. Happy birthday is the only lyrics. And yet listen to that classical strings, harp.
Happy birthday. Happy birthday.
Is he saying birthday or birthday?
Happy birthday.
I think he's saying birthday. Is that the day you burst? Let's listen to version 2.
Happy birthday.
How did it know to change to a female vocal, and how did she hit that note so well? This is a robot.
Happy birthday.
Very nice. Classical piano, classical vocals. So there you go. That's Suno creating the word happy birthday into a digital composition. Now you can download that. That's pretty simple. All you got to do is right click or click the three little dots and then go to download, and you can download the MP3 and that'll come downloading. It also comes with a nice little avatar or a nice little picture and the word happy birthday. That's very, very simple. So if you like to play around with Suno, it's a digital composition platform and there's so many wonderful creations you can create. Let's see what happens on the next one as we go down the rabbit hole.